In December 2023, a major outage disrupted both incoming and outgoing calls, data services, and text messaging for millions of Verizon customers due to a technical glitch. This was followed by a class action lawsuit settled in April 2024, where Verizon paid $150 million to resolve claims that its call blocking features incorrectly flagged legitimate calls, including emergency 911 calls, as spam. This settlement highlighted the real-world risks of blocked emergency calls. Since the December 2023 outage and the 2024 lawsuit, Verizon has taken significant steps to address the issues with outgoing call blocking. The company implemented software updates to their call analysis tools, specifically targeting the reduction of false positives where legitimate calls are incorrectly blocked. As of early 2025, Verizon reported a 40% reduction in misclassified calls, achieved through improved machine learning algorithms that better distinguish between spam and legitimate communications. To give customers more control, Verizon introduced options like trusted contacts lists and manual overrides that can be managed through their mobile app or website. Importantly, no major outages have been reported since mid-2025, indicating improved stability in their network infrastructure. Verizon continues to operate under FCC oversight and maintains compliance with federal guidelines, although consumer complaints about call blocking remain higher compared to some competitors like AT&T or T-Mobile. Verizon's call filtering takes place at the network level, where calls are scanned using AI algorithms before they can connect to recipients. This network-level approach allows for carrier-wide protection against spam. Unlike app-based blockers that operate on individual smartphones and filter calls after they arrive, network-level filtering provides proactive protection across Verizon's entire infrastructure. These practices are regulated by the Federal Communications Commission under the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, which sets standards for telemarketing and robocall prevention. The robocall mitigation database further supports this by providing a centralized system for identifying and blocking illegal robocalls, while requiring carriers to offer transparency and allow users to opt out of blocking features. Overall, this regulatory framework aims to strike a balance between effective anti-spam measures and protecting consumer rights to communication and accessibility. The future of call blocking is moving toward advanced artificial intelligence enhancements. Verizon is leading with next-generation tools that incorporate voice pattern recognition and blockchain verification to minimize errors in call filtering. Real-world examples show the impact of Verizon's call blocking issues. The December 2023 outage affected over 10,000 customers and resulted in a $1.5 million FCC fine for inadequate network preparedness. The 2024 class action lawsuit highlighted serious concerns when blocked emergency calls delayed medical response for affected customers. Internal audits revealed higher block rates in rural areas due to limited data for AI training, affecting connectivity for farmers and other rural residents. These case studies emphasize the importance of balancing anti-spam measures with user experience, especially for vulnerable populations who rely on reliable communication. Experts from organizations like the FCC and Consumer Reports emphasize that while call blocking is essential, over-reliance on automation can infringe on consumer rights. FCC Commissioner Brendan Carr stated in 2025 that carriers must prioritize accuracy over aggression, citing Verizon's settlement as a model for accountability. The FCC reported 54 billion robocalls in 2023, up 20% from 2022, highlighting the massive scale of the problem that drives the need for blocking tools. Verizon's 2025 Q3 report showed 85% accuracy in spam detection, but 15% false positives affected 2.5 million customers monthly. Consumer surveys indicate dissatisfaction with Verizon's call services. A 2026 J.D. Power survey rated Verizon's call services 720 out of 1,000, down from 750 in 2024, with blocking issues cited in 25% of complaints. The industry is moving towards transparent, user-controlled telecom features to reduce these issues. Experts like telecom analyst Craig Moffett predict that by 2027, AI improvements could cut false blocks to under 5%, aligning with growing demand for accurate and user-friendly solutions.